Hello, good evening. My name is Chine. I'm the representative for Demorati Creation. Today, I'll be talking to us about sewing, tailoring. We all know what it is. Well, I'll be taking you on the online course for the time being till Madam is ready. Okay. So for today, I'll be telling us what sewing is. I'll be telling us about the different shapes that we have. I'm going to be talking to us about different types of fabrics. I'm telling you about the styles, the patterns, very important. And then when we're done with that, we're going to talk about other things. But for now, please get your comments ready and I'll be back. Okay, sewing is the craft of fastening or attaching objects using stitches made with a needle and thread. We're very familiar with what this is. I wouldn't need to talk a lot about it, but I'm just going to go forward to talk about the different types, different shapes in sewing. Very important. Let's be back. These are written out shapes used in sewing. A lot of us are very familiar with this topic. A lot of us are very familiar with the different shapes. We have the circle, the rectangle, the square, the triangle, and the cone. I'll just do a little illustration so that we'll know what exactly we're talking about. For the circle, we all know what the circle is basically. The circle is made up of 360 degrees. So it's very important we know this. However, we know what a rectangle is. Yes, this is a rough sketch of what a rectangle is. A square is more or less this, a longer one, a triangle, and then a cone. Okay, my bad, but let us now go exactly to see what a circle is to make. So we're going to go back to the very basics. When I talk about sewing, I want to talk about sewing. And for sewing, I've told you what sewing is. I've also told you shapes. But then I want to talk about types of fabrics. Very important. So that when I get to shapes, it's easier for us to talk about. You can see that I have Ankara, what we're already used to here. And this is a type of fabric, but we call this cotton. It's very important you know this. So example of a cotton is Ankara. It's very important you know this. We're very familiar with this beginners.